of the ongoing protests across the country, I will say that one thing is clear. It is clear that protest means different things to different people. That is very evident from what we have seen. For some, protest means riot. For others, it means looting. For some others, it means demonstration. And the question will be, why are we seeing these different trends across the country? The answer is simple. And the answer is simple because, like earlier emphasized, there are several factors. There are several groups who are feeding on the frustrations of Nigerians that has brought about what we are seeing today. I've spoken about opposition politics. I've spoken about sovereign interference. I've also spoken about interest groups, terror groups, and also other groups. Now, based on their purposes, we have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly across our nation. What I would like to say is that for us in the armed forces, we are a stability force. And as a testament to this, we are deployed across the country, which is indicative of our commitment to defend our country and to protect our citizens. Now, we will continue to be a stability force as we seek to bring stability in any area of our country where it is needed. And we will continue to be committed to guarantee the safety of our citizens across the country, and will continue to do so. What we urge citizens at this point is that the President has spoken and has opened the door for dialogue. I will encourage those behind this protest, if indeed they have the goodwill and interest of this country, to take the option of dialogue and let us resolve the challenges and let us move forward. This is all I have to say at this point. Thank you.